Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new Baby Alive. So I'm super excited because for my birthday, I got this Baby Alive Little Snacks doll. And today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and doing a name and age reveal. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start by unboxing her. Hopefully that worked. This thing's so hard to get out. Okay, there we go. I resorted to ripping it. Okay, I think I can just like slide her bib off because it's like attached to ties. What is going on? Okay, I got it off and we are almost there. All right. She and all of her accessories are finally out. And you guys, she is literally so cute. Like, this is probably one of the cutest Baby Alive dolls I've ever seen. Her hair is just gorgeous. I don't know, it's either her eyes or her smile. Something just makes her face so cute. And I love the little crawling position she's in. And I also like how her hands are adjustable and you can turn her head towards you. So I believe you feed her and like you can open up this and all the food will go in there, so that makes it easier, so that way the food shouldn't get stuck in her like some of the Baby Alive like Super Snacks dolls. So she comes with this really realistic bib and you can just slide it around her neck really easily. She comes with this yellowy orangey food, and what I really like is she comes with this spife, a spoon, a fork, and a knife. So you got the fork, the little knife, and the spoon. And the last thing she comes with is this little thing, and you can make little food molds for her. So let's test these three things out and see if we can get her to eat. Alright you guys, so I'm going to take some of the Play-Doh that she came with, and I'm going to just put it in the mold. I don't know how much I need, and I'm just gonna like smush it around, spread it out so I can cover every little hole. That way I can get a bunch of food made for her. Okay, that seems pretty good. It's all covered. So now I'm just gonna close the container and squeeze it. So hopefully it makes little food molds. Opening it up. Oh, and it did! That's awesome! So it made like little circles, and you just peel the excess Play-Doh off. Comes off really easily without taking any of the circles off. So now, without saying this precious girl's name, the baby has what looks like to me little Cheerios to eat. So let's feed her. I think we should use a fork. Here you go, baby. Oh, it came right off the fork very easily. Yummy. Okay, let's give her another one. Here you go. Oh, and also, guys, I forgot to mention, I'm using the little food mold as a tray, so that's pretty cool. It doubles up. All right, we'll give her one more just to make sure that she works. Oh, I dropped it. Oopsies. All right. There you go. Yummy. Okay, now it's time to check if her diaper works. Alright, so I'm just gonna open her up. Oh, all of them are there, so just gonna tip her over to get them all out. Perfect, all three came out and it's very easy cleanup. Alright you guys, so we discovered that this little baby is super cute and works super well, but now it's time for a name and age reveal. So, her name is, drumroll please, Brooklyn! So, before I go any further, I would like to give full credit to Rebecca's Funland for this name idea. She has this exact doll that she named Brooklyn, and ever since I saw her baby and heard the name, I thought it would be perfect if I ever got my own. So this little girl is Brooklyn, and her roleplay age is, drumroll please, 1. I thought she looks like like a perfect 1-year-old learning to crawl and stuff. So yeah. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to see more videos with sweet little Brooklyn. Bye guys!